Baby bus.
Welcome aboard Baby Bus's flight. We hope you have an enjoyable flight. The plane is preparing for takeoff. Please switch off all electronic devices. Please put your carry-on in the overhead compartment. The plane is taking off soon. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt. The plane has reached cruising altitude. We will begin complimentary drink and food service shortly. We've encountered a storm during our flight. Please remain calm. The plane has safely left the storm and will be arriving at our destination shortly. Let's take the shuttle to the terminal.